Europe in winter. Dreamy landscapes, festive markets, and magical cities covered in snow. But let's be honest, traveling to Europe on a budget feels impossible, right? Wrong. What if I told you there's a way to experience Europe's winter wonderland without breaking the bank? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to traveling Europe on a budget this winter. Let's start with the biggest expense: flights. The secret? Flexibility is your best friend. Use tools like Skyscanner or Google Flights, and choose the cheapest month option. Spoiler alert, winter months often have insane deals. Avoid flying into major hubs like London or Paris. Opt for budget-friendly airports like Budapest or Warsaw instead. You'll save hundreds. Next up, accommodation. Winter is off-peak season in most European cities, which means discounted rates on hostels, guest houses, and even Airbnbs. Use apps like Hostelworld or Booking.com to score deals. Want to go even cheaper? Try couch surfing. You'll not only save money but also meet locals who can give you insider tips. Let's talk food. Europe in winter is a foodie's paradise, especially with Christmas markets offering affordable local delicacies. Think bratwurst in Germany, churros in Spain, and pierogis in Poland, all for just a few euros. Skip the overpriced restaurants and dine like a local. And don't forget, supermarkets are your best friend. Grab some bread, cheese, and wine for a budget-friendly picnic. Yes, even in winter. Getting around Europe doesn't have to be expensive. Ditch expensive flights for budget buses like Flixbus or overnight trains. It's like killing two birds with one stone. Transport and accommodation in one. In cities, opt for walking tours or day passes for public transport instead of taxis. Here's the best part. Europe in winter offers unique, budget-friendly experiences. Many cities have free walking tours, and some museums even have free admission days. Love the outdoors? Head to the Alps or Scandinavia for winter hikes and breathtaking views, completely free. And don't forget seasonal perks like ice skating rinks, Christmas lights, and festive concerts. They're often free or super cheap. Now here's the secret I promised you, the Eurail Pass hack. Most people overlook this in winter, but did you know you can get heavily discounted Eurail passes during the off-season? It lets you hop between countries without worrying about individual train tickets. Combine this with overnight trains, and you'll save hundreds. See? Traveling Europe in winter doesn't have to be expensive. With these tips, you can enjoy a magical, budget-friendly adventure. So pack your bags, grab your scarf, and start planning that dream trip. And hey, don't forget to share your favorite budget travel tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.